Instagram and Facebook remove monetization for creators. I will explain it all by the end of the video, so make sure you stick until the end. First off, let's explain this. How do creators get monetized on Facebook and Instagram? Unlike on YouTube, where you can get AdSense revenue, on Facebook and Instagram, the main way creators get paid or become monetized or monetize their content is by being A, an affiliate for a product, B, sponsored by brands, or C, selling one of their own products. And if you watched the video 2 days ago about Mark Zuckerberg's announcement that the future of Facebook is private, you probably know that the organic reach that creators will have is going to be much lower than it used to, at least in my opinion. So in essence, one of the new updates that Instagram will have, and it's what everyone all over the internet is talking about, at least on my side of the internet, is Instagram is removing likes. Obviously it's not going to be instant, it's not going to be for every country at the same time. Maybe they're going to test with some smaller countries, see how the users are reacting. To be honest, it's pretty similar to a ship. Let's say you're a ship captain. What will happen if you turn the ship too quickly? Many of the passengers will fall off. And since the passengers are the users, and the users are the way Instagram and Facebook make money, you bet this captain doesn't wanna lose anyone from this ship. So the changes they will implement them very carefully so that they can keep their user base. Okay, so why likes affect influencers' monetization? This shouldn't really make sense. Okay, think of yourself as a brand. No, literally, do it right now. Browse some Instagram profiles. How do you determine which influencers is going to have a good return on investment or ROI? What are going to be the key metrics that you would be considering? A, followers, and B, engagement ratio. Engagement ratio relative to followers and engagement relative to viewers if it's a video, and engagement is likes and comments mostly. Okay, this begs the question, if likes are removed, how will they determine that? Are they just trying to ruin the markets for Facebook creators and Instagram influencers so they can advertise a product, an affiliate commission product, their own product, someone else's product, a brand? Because to me, it looks like the only way brands can advertise from now on using Facebook's Ads Manager, and the only ads you see are the ones when you're scrolling up and down. It will be extremely hard for creators, for brands, to find legitimate influence. What do you mean legitimate? Well, to be honest, most of us fell into the trap of buying fake followers. Even I did, because of the instant gratification we want, or we think it's good for the algorithm, and in reality it actually hurts your organic reach. But let's say you're acting in bad faith, and you want to scam brands. What you do is make a stupid profile, upload a bunch of photos, buy a lot of fake followers, and I mean, that's it. Brands say, oh, he has 100k followers, and that cost him like $1,000. Okay, we can pay him $500 for this ad. And with 2 posts, he gets back his money. If he's doing niche pages like travel, fashion, and so on, he can make multiple pages and scam multiple brands. This is a serious issue brands will have. And the first bad impressions they have working with influencers who do business in bad faith will make them stop contacting influencers directly and would rather go through Facebook system. Think of it that way. Facebook is a platform. It's their own platform. We influencers have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. And you can see my Instagram here. Facebook has its own platform, right? We influencers have a Twitter account, here is mine, have an Instagram account, here is mine, and have a YouTube channel, subscribe. We do not own our platform, right? If you want to own your platform, there's a link in the description down below to make an email list. There you can email people and you can actually grow your own platform. But when you have control over the platform that you use to reach your audience, you have actual power. Money isn't power. The influencer with the Ferrari, if you take his Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube channel off, his profits will go dramatically down. I've seen some influencers that had issues with their Instagram being hacked and deleted all photos and so on. He couldn't get it back for a few weeks and his revenue dropped 90%, which ultimately destroys his lifestyle of traveling and so on. Money isn't power. Knowledge isn't power. Power is power. Owning the platform that you are on. The platform, Facebook, Instagram, can decide if you make money or if you don't. And in this scenario, guys, me and the other influencers are probably not going to get the award of market value from Instagram and Facebook. No one thought about it. I'm pretty sure from what I've seen on a lot of videos, no one thought about this concept. They always thought about a positive mindset, mental healthness. When you don't have likes on Instagram, this really helps people out because we're all in this the chain of public acceptance and so on and blah blah blah, and it's probably true, but this is not Facebook. This is a company. They're a company to make profit. This is their mindset. All those detective series say follow the money. If you start from the money, how is this case resolving money? Who benefits from this case? You can find the answer. Just reverse engineer the whole idea. So just a few statistics that you might find interesting that will further build to this theory I have. And again, this is just my opinion. In 2012, Instagram was bought by Facebook for an estimated $1 billion. Instagram's biggest age group is from 18 to 29. And the worst age group is 65 plus years old, which is 8%, and 18 to 29 is 59% of the total user base. 80% of Instagram's users follow one or more brands. By the way, this again proves why they want to get rid of organic reach, because if pretty much everyone is following a brand can advertise for free organically, and this is not good for Facebook and Instagram, and I'll tell you why now. In 2018, Facebook, which are the owners of Instagram as we said, made $55 billion, which is 30% more than they made in 2017. If their user base is growing at 9% per year, the revenue went up 30%, it means they're trying to milk users as much as possible. And if the growth of users is not that big, and it can be that big, it can be 200% users, because I'm pretty sure that the only new users Facebook have are people that are newly born into this world, because pretty much everyone has a Facebook account. Even if you don't use Facebook, it's probably good to have a Facebook account to log in on some website that has Facebook sign-in. So in my opinion, the growth of revenue in 2018 relative to 2017 of 30% is not due to new users coming into the platform, but brands bidding more and brands getting more into Facebook relative to mainstream media solutions like newspapers and other things. And also, we gotta say that dropshipping as a search term on Google has its peak lately. So, and since dropshipping and affiliate marketing is basically connecting a product to the end user, leveraging ads or organic reach, Facebook and Google or Alphabet are the main platforms you can leverage and fit with other people to get to reach the right audience. Okay, this is just my opinion, and I would love to hear your opinion and have a healthy debate in the comment section down below. So, if you think this is not true or this is true because this that we said, please comment in the comment section down below and I'll try to reply, especially in the first week of this video's release. If you like this video, make sure you share it to a friend of yours who wants to start YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or who wants to make money there. And if you weren't part of the community until this video and you did subscribe just now, I want to welcome you to the community. And remember, a video a day keeps the doctor away. This is no financial advice, this is no investment advice. Do your own diligence, and this is no medical advice. And if you're sick, go see a real doctor. Bye.